Alright, I'm recording. Okay, so Audio Technica 2020 USB plus headphone microphone. My Yeti broke a few weeks back. Doesn't even turn on anymore. So might as well take this off the boon. I think it's called a boon. I'm still actually working right now. I'm on the clock, but whatever. We're gonna take a minute and check this out. It served me well for about 3 years. First studio grade microphone, I guess, if it's studio grade or not, I don't know. I've never been in a studio. But when it died, I did some research and was told the Audio Technica was highly preferred over the Blue Yeti. I think this came to about 140 bucks on Amazon Canadian. I thought it was supposed to come with another boon, but I guess not. Some instructions. Oh, nice. That's what it comes in. So it has like a black case thing here and a microphone right here. Oh, this is a quality mic. It has some weight to it, man. Dude, this is just as heavy as the Yeti. Smaller. Should I have it pointing downward or upward? Bang. Oh, there goes something. So underneath we have, I guess, the whatever power USB port that's supposed to go into the computer. Let's see, what do we have inside this case? It smells new. We have a desk stand. Oh, okay. So, oh no. Does it come with the bolts that I can use? Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves here. There's the power port, something to USB, something. I don't know. I'm not very technical when it comes to this stuff. Here's the cord. It's pretty long. Like it's long, bro. It's good. Desk stand. Yeah. Tripod for the desk. Which goes pretty wide. It's pretty good. Probably never use this thing, to be honest with you. Gonna need something better than that. Damn. Alright, let's see if we can find a video of how to So at this point in the video, I was becoming a bit discouraged. I couldn't figure out how to get the mic to fit the boom that I had, so I decided to do some research. Not very tech savvy, people. Sorry, bear with me. Gotta figure out how to do this.
The way we communicate has changed.
That fits on here. Okay, so the video I ended up watching was completely useless. So I'm just gonna fast forward through all this. Don't pay too much attention to it. You'll see. We'll get to resolving this pretty soon. I started it back up. Okay, I figured it out. Okay, so buy this microphone. If you buy this microphone, I don't know if this is common knowledge or not. It wasn't common knowledge for me. Again, I'm a different demographic. I'm a new user coming into the streaming scene. You have this piece here. Thank you, buddy. You have this piece here that comes with it, and then inside the, I guess the what do you want to call this? The socket for where this thing is supposed to go in, comes this little thing already inside, so you can fit smaller versions of this anchor thing, whatever it's called. But it comes out. So I took it out, just used a butter knife, and now it fits. It fits. But that worked. Tighten everything, and then you just loosen. For the boom arm that I have, this part, you can tighten the clamp or loosen the clamp. I just loosened it up, turned it around. God, I really, this is a clear example of someone who doesn't know what the hell they're talking about trying to make an instructional video. This is all I needed. This is all I needed to get this out. Why is this lamp shining in my face, bro? Okay, time for the, bro, why is there blemishes on this? This thing looks like it's been rolled through the dirt, man. Going in. Okay. And this screws on. It does. My God, it doesn't end. Oh no. What have I done? But it's facing the wrong way. No, that doesn't. Dude, I'm supposed to be work. I'm supposed to be at work right now. Still, like, I'm still on the clock here. I have 3 screens around me. So I have my main personal computer in front of me, and then my work machine here, and another monitor for my work machine there. I'm gonna have it face me forward first, and then go in. That worked. Now to give it power. All right. So I don't have any available USB ports behind my machine, but I do have a dongle with extra ports on it. I'm just going to plug that into there. Hopefully it gives me the juice that I require. Going on. Hey. There's a blue light. It's lit up. Now I got to go through some system settings. I'm plugging out my microphone. Yeah, so at this point, I'm pretty much a moron. I kept talking even though I plugged on my microphone. Properties. What is this? Hello? Okay. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not. And I don't even know why that's even on here, to be honest with you. So the volume's way up here, but the decibels are low, so let's crank that up. Hello. Okay, so that controls how much I can hear coming in and out without affecting my volume. What is this monitor dial for? It says mic and comm. Oh, it's just a monitor. Like how do I sound? All right. We're gonna mute this. So at this point, I've never actually used the mic aux original OBS setting thing that's there by default. I've always added another audio source. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just setting up the target audio source. Hello? Okay. Check. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's it. I think we're set up. So this is off. This doesn't even work no more. I have it muted. The headset, the cheap headset's muted. I don't even know if the sound quality has changed at all. I'm assuming that it has. Yeah. Quite happy with what I'm hearing through the headset. It sounds nice. There you have it. Audio Technica 2020 plus USB microphone. Thanks for watching.